said, I'm very grateful to Ashok Raju and PT for making this possible. Well, we last we met, Swarna was not there. We had met in Maharaja Bar Maharaja Bar and Restaurant, I know. So
we also have some pictures of Sarovar Hotel.
So, and what should I say? Except life was quite smooth. The point was getting a job was, after this MBA, getting a job was very easy. At first, I had two jobs actually. Just after leaving, I joined Air India. Air India at that time as a station manager, very trainee station manager. But at that time there was a petrol, there was some problem in the Middle East. And petrol prices shot up quite fast. And Air India cut over its expansion plan. And after 2 months, we were asked to say, because they were cutting down those plans, to expand, we were not, say, made permanent. They still owe me 1 month's salary.
Yeah, now you can take with interest that one.
And after that, Allahabad Bank came in. When Allahabad Bank was there, I had 2 other offers also, but then I was told that banks were really good places to work. I joined, work was all right. Then 1 more year working in Allahabad Bank, I was asked to go and work here, there and everywhere. And at that time it was good. And in Calcutta we were very good to find accommodation for Rajat's aunt's house. Flat. And we all were there for some time together. So accommodation wise, Bombay or Calcutta was never a problem. That makes it easy there, Bombay. In Bombay also we were together for some time. Then work wise was alright, there is no problem at all. But one thing in work, personally I am not fit to work as a manager or anything, because as a manager you have to be tough. You have to make people work. Or as a chief manager, as the chairman used to say, you get it done or you do it. If you cannot do both, you get out. In the end, that's why I decided to quit and I quit. Some experiences were very good working in the villages, in Adilabad, a Naxal infested area. But then if some, you must know, some of us must know, this Pradeep Melkote, PDS Agriculture.
Yes, I know Pradeep. What happened to him?
His friend was a Sarpach there in one of the villages which was under. And I know this Pradeep Melkote also. They were all these Naxalite fellows. But what these people, knowing these people made life easy. And they used to make people pay up the loans. So we never had any default.
What happened to Pradeep now? Is he alive there?
He is still alive.
There is no space.
That, and anybody, one more thing, if anybody says there are no ghosts, I tell them to go to Adilabad.
Yes. Ghosts?
In the night, actually during daytime that was an election. B.V. Ramana. It was an election day, and the police station was in our village. Our village was bigger. So he asked me to go around just check the other villages to see if the election is taking place properly. Coming back, this cart track I was taking, it was 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Cart track I was taking was parallel to the National Highway 7, but quite inside. There was a small, there was a narrow review of this culvert where the motorcycle crossed, the front wheel on that side and back wheel on this side. I was suddenly thrown up. I was going at a very steady speed. Suddenly thrown up, I landed there on the other side, but facing the motorcycle, coming at this. No pain, no hurt, anything. And the motorcycle was standing up. It did not fall on either side. And the steering wheel got turned like this, as if somebody was sitting in it and turning it left and right. My hair stood on end. Even though over the way, I ran 2 miles to the next village. And when they saw me, the Sarpach saw me. Then he put a cot there gave me iced water and said, you city people never hear this, never listen to us. That was one experience. Of course, they went, a group of those people went and bought a motorcycle. And another was at night time around 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock, 11:30. And one fellow was driving me to my village from nearby. It is near me. We saw a person standing on the road asking us to, signaling us to stop.
Put
When we went there, he was
SIV,
not
what the
there.
university records
When
says.
we approached him, he was not there. These were interesting experiences. Job-wise, there is nothing interesting except that personally I am not made to be a manager. I'm made because one cannot be tough. I was telling, I had other offers also, but they were all supervisory jobs. Manager post, or I did not take it because I knew I was not fit. And personally, for 2 or 3 years, I suffered from paranoia. It was so terrific, so terrible, I could not even look out of the window onto the road. My cousin is a psychiatrist, he asked me to take medicines, but then I personally did not want to get used to that. Now I am over it. I am very glad.
That's good.
And
So I now call upon Subhash.
I would just like to say one thing. One person not involved in this was very much responsible. I would like to thank Ajay Reddy, without whom we wouldn't have traced him.
I hope you have his mobile number.
I'll thank Ranjit and others for searching me out.
And you can Peter.
As if they were searching out for someone.
Incidentally, what happened? One last question. What happened to the phone which Rajat spoke to you, and then what happened after that?
It's still there. I was watching.
Still there.
Still there. All your messages, especially Pitty's.
You don't believe in replying, eh?
See, I never learned to send SMSs. I never learned to send SMSs. I tried to learn email. It doesn't work.
No, why didn't you call back?
When I came to Hyderabad, I saw this phone which is mine. And immediately I called you back.
That is now, yeah. From April, in April he spoke to you, no? In some other number?
नंबर क्या है पहले बता वही है तो नंबर
Subhash.
चेंज नहीं हुआ
Tera hai number.
To Ramana's credit, I must say, he called me up. I was at Mumbai.
Yeah.
I noted that number and I said, Ramana, can you just email me? Typical Ramana son. अरे नहीं भाई अपने को नहीं आता.
No, that was immediate.
अपने को वो सब नहीं आता.
The moment you told me, I called and I spoke to him. This is the guy who spoke to
When Peter came there, I knew I have coming here, and because I had long hair, I had to have it cut.
बदला है क्या अभी
No, he wanted to resemble his old self. Next week.
Now we can
बदला है
Asha, Shastri has been waiting patiently to come and talk to us.
ये नंबर नहीं है तेरा
So वो बात Shastri, please come.
Because whether it was Raman's number or not, Rajat also gave me stories about how it was run over by a car.
but no his elder brother told me
Gentlemen, Mr. Shastri is prepared to talk to us.
Thank you very much, everybody. Particularly the organizers, I don't know. Even now also, I remember two members. I remember they are the organizers. Many people may be there. Yes,
Those two.
those two also. I do not know much about that. We must thank them and everybody. And actually, I am from rural background, village background. Till my graduation, I was in Telugu medium. I came, joined MBA last hour only I paid the fees because I got the intimation very lately. The first year I felt, in communicating with you all, very difficult it was. Even now also I'm finding to speak a little bit hesitatingly I'm speaking. I'm speaking correct English or not. But absolutely. But The one who gave me this communication skill is Mr. Yuki Peter. His
Hey,
association, his
Cheers
association
for your king.
with my, I used to align with him because I was afraid to talk to class members also, leave the professors, but otherwise, he gave me the life. Today I'm working in a degree college as a lecturer. Always I had to speak in English only. So that
Fantastic.
part, communication skills he gave me, I must be thankful forever. That is one. Second, this is an opportunity. Everybody are here. We are recollecting our olden days. I could not use MBA much in my life, but now and then it helped me. I told you already, I was in different medium. I came in non-English. There was 6 seats in MBA reserved for non-English medium students.
Yes.
Those in that quota only I got it. Myself, KK Gupta, he was from Hindi medium.
Hey, Kiki.
I don't know, one, two, one. 6 members joined like that, so I got an opportunity. I remember 1200 members have written the entrance examination. That was the first batch. That was earlier only some list here used to display, but that was 1200 members. So I was proud getting this, but I also got in MCOM waiting list, but it was not confirmed. So last moment I paid. Till last moment I waited for that, but actually I wanted to join MCOM. MBA is not useful in degree colleges, but subsequently I did MCOM also privately. And then I did MA in astrology later. Subsequently, out of interest, I did it from Telugu University.
Very nice.
And mostly, I joined APIIC, Industrial Infrastructure Corporation, but in a lower levels, clerical level. This MBA used to be always, people used to tell why MBA you are coming to clerical camp. Then everywhere I worked for 2-3 years only initially. Later I got in Singareni Collieries, posted to Bellampalli area. That was supervisor post. So I thought I would make some life there, but full of radicals in mine areas. Only MBS cannot manage there. Only local people can manage higher position. So that's why I came out. So I came and my MBA did not work there. So I came back again, worked in some about 20 companies I changed. All 1 year, 2 years, 1 year. Yeah, I'm telling you.
Wow, man.
I worked in different types of organizations, but all small companies only. For livelihood I worked. Subsequently, my weak point is that everything has to be defined. In organizations, most of the organizations, nothing is defined. Nothing is structured. 10 to 3 means 3 o'clock they won't leave you. 10 o'clock they will ask you to come. That is there everywhere. And what happens next hour I must know. Isn't it? That type of organizations are not there. So I thought I was searching and for a long time, and then I thought this degree college is a better, where it is, everything is defined, and we have full of satisfaction. I'm working in Sentence Degree College for women, Malkazagiri.
Very good.
For the last 16 years I'm there. This is the longest service where everywhere I work 2, 3 years,
You're a
only 1
lucky
year.
guy, yeah. You're the ladies' man.
Yeah.
It's an opportunity also for me to see various personalities, different types of people, and communications, everything we can have here. And 3 o'clock we can leave, 10 o'clock, 8
Summer
to 8
holidays.
everything, summer evaluation, chief examiners, all university
Relax,
associated works.
absolutely.
And Commerce Department in Usman University, they all know me. Examination branch, everybody knows me. So many people, this type of interaction is there. And of course, targets will be there, like portion you have to finish like that. So then this is my, I have 3 sons. Eldest is working in Wipro, and second is HSBC, third is Bank of Baroda, recently joined.
Wow.
6
Very
months.
good. Excellent.
And I have a granddaughter, grandson.
Very
Thank you.
Wonderful. That was the signing off. Yeah.
Thank you, Shastri.
What do you think? What do you think?
Just bye. We'll be in touch.
Now I'll learn like this.
Yes, you should. You should.
You're coming back, huh?
We'll be in touch. So, where I was going, please say bye to them.